Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to claim core tokens directly in your MetaMask wallet. Let's go step by step. First, open your MetaMask wallet on your computer and log in with your password or biometric authentication. Make sure you are on the Ethereum mainnet or the network specified by Core to receive the tokens. Next, check if Core tokens are already listed in your wallet. If not, you'll need to add Core as a custom token. Click Import Tokens, then enter the token contract address, symbol, and decimals, all available from Core's official website or announcement. Once Core is added, visit the official Core Claim website or platform. Log in using the same wallet you've connected to MetaMask. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to claim your tokens. This usually involves connecting your wallet, signing a transaction, and confirming the claim. Make sure you double-check the URL to avoid scams. After confirming the transaction, wait for the network to process it. Once completed, refresh your MetaMask wallet and you should see your Core tokens credited. And that's it. You've successfully claimed Core in your MetaMask wallet safely and easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.